Hello folks, it's me again. What am I doing right now? I'm just basically putzing around trying to find all my I haven't organized all of my sockets in a while. Like there's a drawer for them over there somewhere, but I rarely use sockets. It's mostly wrenches, and I don't wrench on machines too often, but now I have a machine to wrench on and I need metric. So I'm just gonna put all the metric sockets in here so I can find them all. Pretty sure there's a few 10mm ones in there. Here, I'll show you. So anyway, I gotta go through and be like, this is standard, standard, standard. It's got one of those little bobbers in there. It's a little plastic thing in there, see? Don't know why. This is just an adapter. 7/16, 12mm. There was little bobber things. This is a 7/8 snap-on. This one's got the little thing there too. This is a 7/16. A little plastic thing there. Standard. That's a 1/2 inch one. These are those little claw things where you can claw the bolt out. 5/16. Ooh, 10mm. On the 10mm. 7/16. 13mm. Another Craftsman USA claw thing. This is a 5/16 scrap on. Those are little clawy thing. This is a 4mm. Holy Jesus, that's small. 3/4. 13mm long one. 6mm. This is a 3/8. 9/16. 9mm. Wish it was a handgun. Another 9mm. Another, what's this? 1/2 inch. 12mm. Ooh, 5mm. Another clawy thing. Oh, this is a, what is this? Snap-on Canada. It's like a bronzy kind of color. Weird. 3/4. That's just a swivelly. This is got, it says 1 11/16. 9/32. This is 13/16. 15mm. This one is a little adapter goodies there. 11/32. 12mm. 7. No name 11. 9mm. 6. 7. 10. CRV. It's another one of those little adapter thingies. Okay, these are all the plastic things. This over here, what's this? 17mm. This is 16. This is 19. 15. 14. 18. 1/2 inch. 12. 9. Okay, this is no good. See these things? They're like, I've had them for about 20 years and they're brittle now. That's why I hate freaking plastic. 11/16, 3/4, 13/16. This is 3/8. This is 9/16. This is 5/16. 1/4 inch. What's this one? 11/16. 5/8. 9/16. 1/2 inch. I just want all the metric. Hey, look, Sears. It says Sears on it. Shows how much I got that one. I'm throwing these stupid things out. They suck. These are Snap-on. What is this? Metric 7/3/7/8, I think. This one is, I don't know. Not even sure what this is. It is super duper eeny weeny yellow polka dot. I have no idea. Warning, non-impact. 1/4 inch. Not that weird. Sucker. This is a Snap-on 1/2 inch. Let's put them all out. 5/16. That we could. Come on, get out of there. 5/16. 7/16. All these plastic things out. So it's broken. Pull that out, 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 throw that out. What's this one? This one is a Snap-on 3/16. Snap-on 7/32. Snap-on 9/32. 1/4 inch. Non-impact. This one's all rusty. 9/32. Plastic. More junky plastic. I think I have a few more. Some over here. Not sure what these are. These ones and these ones. Let's see. Standard. Standard. And just go inch. 7/16. Fuller bits. Okay, these are all standards. 7/16. This is what? 1/4 inch. These ones are all. These are organized, actually. Oh, look at that. They're all organized. Fancy. I'll leave these on here. This one seems like it's okay. We'll keep this one. Out of all that, it's all this done. We get another bucket. Hold on a second. Get another bucket. I can sing that song. This is how we do it. Awesome collection of that. Garbage. This is a little adapter. I'll keep that. This is that's a swivelly adapter. That's the little thing to give you. This is one of those funny adapters. So is this. Is this one of those adapters? No, it's actual ratchet. This is another, what is this? That's a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch. That one's a big one. I might have a use for that one. Oh, dropped them everywhere. Oh no, I scratched them. no, they're not new anymore. Alright. Put all these over here, and here, and here. I do have a drawer for specialty gizmos, so. And I want all the fancy weird ones, I put them in a specific drawer. But when it comes to just ratchets, I just put them in the old damn drawer. Oh, there's one. There's one. Garbage, garbage. So this one is, it's not even a black marker. I need a black marker. Something I could see. This is not even working. Shut it up. Where's the rest of my markers? That doesn't work either. What the hell? That's stupid. Dried out. Well, that was. Oh my god, what is this? Try this one. That's standard. And this one's a Big Mac. Metric. Ta-da! Anyway, and I put these in my super duper, these little dig out the screw things there. I'll put those in my specialty drawer. Anyway, thanks for watching. A little video just for fun. How long is this video? Jesus. Long video.